In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the BankMobile app with a simple step-by-step installation guide. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, installing the app is straightforward and quick. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open your device's App Store. If you're using an iPhone or any other iOS device, head over to the App Store. For those with Android devices, you'll want to open the Google Play Store. These stores are the go-to places for downloading apps safely. Once your store of choice is open, direct your attention to the search feature typically found at the top of the screen. Here you'll want to type in BankMobile. Make sure your spelling is correct to find the app promptly. Depending on your typing speed, this might take just a few seconds. After entering the name, look closely at the search results. You should see the BankMobile app appear near the top of the list. Identifying the app is easy. Look for its distinctive icon and the developer's name to confirm it's the correct application. Once you've identified the correct app, give it a tap. This action will lead you to the app's detailed page where you'll find more information, including user reviews, ratings, and a brief overview of what the app offers. Taking a quick look at the overview might be helpful, especially if you're new to BankMobile, as it provides insight into the app's features and capabilities. Now it's time to install the app. On this page, you'll see a button that says Install if you are on Android, or a cloud icon with an arrow on iOS, both indicating the download process. Tap this option and your device will start downloading and installing BankMobile onto your phone. Remember to ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the download process. The length of time needed to install can vary based on your internet speed, but it typically only takes a few minutes. Once the app is successfully downloaded, it's ready for use. You should see the BankMobile icon on your home screen or app drawer. From there, just tap the icon to open the app, follow any initial setup instructions, and you'll be on your way to managing your banking needs directly from your mobile device. And there you have it. Downloading and installing the BankMobile app is a simple process designed for ease and convenience. Now you're prepared to take full advantage of the features this app has to offer. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.